In front of me is Sony Xperia 5.4 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Firstly, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. Now you need to install this free app from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, open it. Mute the music by tapping on the bottom left corner. Then access settings by clicking on bottom right one and tapping on settings at the top. In order to continue, select I accept in First Things First pop-up and manage all of those options. However you want to. Now click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and go back. As you can see, after that, mine was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!